Hey guys, so picture this. A man enters a room and the atmosphere changes. All eyes on him as he walks past everybody with glitz and glamour, like he's got golden skin that shines so bright to the point that his neatly pressed shirt is unable to cover and keep away his lustrous awesomeness. That's a quick description of who an attractive man is and what people's reactions are when he walks by. Do you think that's all that makes a man attractive? Of course not. Several other qualities make you more attractive as a man, giving you an edge over other men that you come across daily. But there is a particular quality that is most attractive with the ability to groom you into becoming the kind of man described. Are you interested in knowing what that is? All you need to do is watch and learn until the end. Just by doing that, you'll be able to unfold the secret that surrounds the quality that makes some men more attractive than others. The question remains, that is now the most attractive quality about a man? You might find the answer to this question surprising, but you need to realize the fact that the most complex things in life are all built on simple principles, including the most attractive quality about a man. Understanding this principle sets the foundation right for every other quality as they develop. In this case, the most attractive quality of a man is just being a gentleman. And sure, you weren't expecting a quality as simple as this. But as we take a closer look at what makes this quality, in particular, the most attractive quality of a man, you will realize that being a good man is simply the best and most attractive of all the qualities that a man could have. Being a gentleman has nothing to do with the general ideology we all have about a man having a sense of gentleness, mainly because of the way he dresses. A perfect example that describes this more is when a man dresses like he's going on an interview in a company he has been aspiring to work for a very long time, even for just a random occasion or when he is going for just a simple date, just to make people around think he's a gentleman. This quality goes deeper down to the manners, reactions, and general behavior of a man towards some challenges, rather the general outlook which we all seem to know. Moreover, it's often said that the true color of a man shows itself during difficult times. From this, we can confidently say the reaction of a man to some situations, most especially situations that have to do with women, is the true definition of gentleness in a man, rather than his appearance or general outlook. This means in difficult times, you stay calm and confidently work out a solution rather than getting rowdy and blaming everyone else for the problem. Let's say in work, if you argue, what are others going to think of you? Most likely, someone hard to work with, and women will especially think that they'll never have an everlasting relationship with you. Let's take another example. You decide to go on a date with a lady. There are certain things that you are supposed to do as a gentleman. This includes helping her with the door while she walks into your car, or the door of the restaurant you choose to visit, letting her go in first while you watch her pass you, and even helping with the shopping bags if you decide to visit a grocery shop together. Obviously, throughout all of this, you'll be talking to her, and the most critical thing is to listen and not interrupt her. There's nothing less gentlemanlike than talking over someone else. All of these plays a significant role in you being a gentleman, and you being able to show that you truly are, and not that you are faking it trying to impress the lady in question that you are a gentleman. Simple mannerisms like these are most attractive and highly appreciated by women. This is all after you've played those games such as playing hard to get and making eye contact. Giving a woman a bouquet of lovely flowers when she least expects it is another norm for every gentleman. I know it sounds trivial, but women do find this very attractive and romantic compared to other complex or regular gifts that random men often give women, hoping to sweep them off their feet. It also gives a sense of spontaneousness. All these make a gentleman more attractive to women. When we speak of a gentleman, being a know-it-all isn't going to get you anywhere. A gentleman will always question things he's uncertain of, because he knows the only stupid question is the question you don't ask. So, if you don't know your way around somewhere like the mall, just ask someone. You won't look like a beta male. You'll look like someone who's willing to learn from someone else, which is super attractive. Hopefully, you've got the gist of what a gentleman does and why it's the most attractive feature of any man. We hope you enjoyed this, and make sure to hit the bell icon, subscribe, like, and comment what else you'd like to see.